Target, now available with eucalyptus for a spa-like experience. Nevada.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got another radio from Jeff's collection. He doesn't know the vintage, but it's quite old. It's Federal. That's the name of the manufacturer, Federal. It's a 5-tube AM-only radio. He says, although it looks like Bakelite, it's not Bakelite. It's a translucent plastic. He got this for $90 off of the Florida Radio Doctor, where he takes his radios to get them refurbished. And this radio has been completely refurbished, capacitors, retuned and everything. He says it's not the greatest sensitivity, and it's struggling a little bit in my workshop here with all the RF noise that you could hear. I'm using a external antenna because I believe if I look down inside carefully, I don't see any indication of a loop antenna here. These are usually on this back plate. I'm not going to take the back off to verify it's not there. But the reason I say that because he showed me that there's a wire coming out the back for the antenna. So I think this used to connect to a loop antenna here, which is usually, like I say, on the back of this backboard right here. So it's having to use I'm just hooked it to my vertical antenna, and that's what it's using. It was, or it is, picking up some noise.
Miami, or as you like
Hear
to
that?
say, Miami. And at the end of the day, so right
Let's
now,
tune the band. This is on-off tuning. That's it. Get my big hand out of the way.
the other team,
Okay, let's go all the way down to the beginning of the band. Again, this is medium wave only. Turn it back up. There's the noise. I don't know if that's internal or it's created by all the electronics in my office, my workshop. Trying to keep my hand out of the way. Ooh, boy, it gets warm. Tube radio gets warm. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, it's picking up all the noise.
There are very few
Ooh.
that have been the kind of facilitator that Jokic is. You know what I mean? It's great. Hakeem Olajuwon comes to mind.
Now there's the signal is strong enough.
I don't know that he's
It's
at Jokic's level.
The no look from Jokic is really impressive. And Joel Embiid is
squashing out that noise, whatever that RF noise was. I got a hum though. Not sure what that is. There's the noise again.
Our advertising and media agency.
Yeah, he's right. It's not very sensitive.
Definition of marriage, and yet they
There's the
now
hum
control
again.
the culture. Last July of 2020.
Now let me read my notes, or his notes again.
When an obscure March
Um,
almost no one had ever heard of. By the end of the year, the NFL
Yeah, it says it's been electronically redone,
wearing their badges.
which
Black Lives
the place where he got it is the person that redoes these radios.
Marxist academic groups have
Terrible
taken over
hum
the
though.
culture.
A real thing when they look at the numbers, but the systemic racism in law enforcement involved shootings, and oh, by the way, you were popping like a couple grand.
Let's pick it up a couple of stations. Well, that one's pretty good, although it's in Spanish. I don't hear any RF noise, or I don't hear the hum. RF noise is still there.
Spiders, you know what I mean?
There's the hum.
Spiders, so I think that a lot of Jamaicans, they're looking for another outlet.
Seems like the hum shows up when I got the volume turned up. It's a strong signal. Okay, that's about it. Boy, does it get warm now. Whoo, that is hot, hot, hot. Let me just turn it off here and cool it down. There we go. And see if I can see. I can't see. I'm trying to see in there and see what could be causing that heat. Oh yeah. Right there. Yep, that's the hot spot right there. And you probably can't see it, but there's a big, there maybe you can see it. Can you see it right here, right there? There's a big vacuum tube right there. That's where the heat's coming from. That could be the tube for the power supply, but it's putting a lot of heat out. So that's it. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And this one's really nice and shiny and clean. It does have one crack right there. Right there, it's got a crack in the top. That's it, though. Other than that, it's perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm doing shows that you enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, that would be a good idea, too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.